A civil rights complaint is filed against Rockford Public Schools tonight. The groups claim the district unlawfully targeted students of color. Rockford Public Schools responded in a statement saying, quote, "The Rockford School District has not been notified by the OCR of any complaint that has been filed. To the extent that the district receives notice from the OCR, the district will respond accordingly," end quote. Jess Lipson did get a chance to speak with attorneys from the groups that filed that complaint. So Jess, how did it get to this point?
Well, Wendell, after learning about the ticketing of students statewide by schools, these centers furthered that investigation. That's when they received data from Rockford that forced them to look into the state line's largest school district.
What we want is for all RPS students to feel safe and connected. And, right now we know that Black students in particular are not feeling safe or connected because they are experiencing discriminatory police referrals.
The National Center for Youth Law and the Macarthur Justice Center are calling the U.S. Department of Education's Office for Civil Rights to take steps to ensure Rockford Public Schools' disciplinary practices and use of school resource officers does not discriminate against students of color in the district. The complaint filed alleges the SROs are racially discriminatorily handling minor school disciplinary issues.
Macarthur was really alerted to this issue through the ProPublica reporting on the ticketing of students that's been going on statewide. And since we became aware of that, I've gone to a few different municipal ticketing hearings in different counties across the state. And I connected with, the National Center for Youth Law. They told me that they had also gone to Rockford as well. And we were finding similar patterns going on.
The center used the data received from FOIAs from the school district and the police department.
Those FOIAs, formed the basis for a lot of what is in our complaint.
One thing that stood out to them about Rockford was the price for defaulting on a ticket and how it's much bigger compared to other municipalities.
So in Rockford, if someone defaults on a ticket, they are frequently charged $750. And so we went to hearings and we saw that young people were being defaulted for $750.
This now goes to the Office for Civil Rights to open an investigation.
Open dialogue with Rockford Public Schools and hopefully work together and really be in a partnership to resolve any of these issues. And that's something else that we're hoping for is local advocacy organizations or families or students who have opinions on this issue either way, or who have experienced ticketing would feel like they feel a little bit more empowered to talk about it and to express their opinions.
Now the next steps are for the Office for Civil Rights to investigate the complaint filed. I was at the committee meeting for RPS 205 tonight. No one was able to speak with me about the issue. Wendell?